Welcome po sa aking channel, ang channel po na makakatulong sa inyo sa inyong pag-aaral ngayon pong panahon ng pandemic. Ngayon po ay tuturuan ko po kayo on how to solve word problems regarding linear equation in one variable, and we check the solution after solving. This lesson is for grade 7 learner, second quarter. Ginawa ko po itong Tagalog version or Taglis upang sagon ay maunawan po ninyo yung aking pagpapaliwanag. Kung ikaw po ay bago sa aking channel, click mo lang ang like and subscribe upang sa ganon ay ma-update ka sa iba pa pong video tutorial na aking i-upload sa mga susunod. Sa ngayon po ay nagagawa po ako ng mga learning tasks o performance tasks sa mga susunod na lesson. Okay, in solving word problems regarding linear equation in one variable, we need to follow these following steps. So, i-state ko po sa inyo isa-isa. First, read and understand the problem. Second, represent the unknown with a variable. Third, associate the unknown variable with the values given in the problem. Fourth, form an equation using the values and variables. Fifth, solve the equation using algebraic method. And last, you need to prove and check if your answer is correct. Okay, let's try to solve this problem. Ang first step to solve is read and understand the problem. Okay. Nelly bought 5 kg of rice and 2 kg of pork meat to cook for family's dinner. The 5 kg of rice cost 200 pesos and Nelly paid a total amount of 800 pesos for the rice and meat. What is the cost of 2 kg pork meat? Okay, so the second step after read and analyze is represent the unknown with a variable. So what is the unknown in our problem? So the unknown there is the 2 kg pork meat. Yan po yung tinatanong ng problem. So, we let x for this unknown. X is the 2 kg of pork meat. So, any variable ay pwede pong i-represent. Ano po? Next step, associate the unknown variable with the values given in the problem. Okay, so what are the other given? Okay, the given is 5 kg of rice cost 200 pesos. And the other one is the total amount of Nelly paid is 800 pesos for pork and meat. Okay, after we identify the given and unknown in the problem, we form an equation using the values and variables. So first there is, yung variable po natin ay x for 2 kg of pork meat, that is x. And then, second, 5 kg of rice for 200 pesos. Since ang pinag-uusapan po dito ay pera, so ang kukunin po natin doon ay yung money. Ano po? So, 200 pesos. At ang kanyang binayaran, the total amount for pork and meat is equal to 800. So, you notice there that yung pork meat ay represent niya ay x. Yung 200, yun yung 5 kg of rice at yung 800, yun yung total amount na kanyang binayaran. So, ibig sabihin, if you say total, you need to add. So, x plus 200 is equal to 800. So, yan na po yung equation na na-form natin from the problem. Okay, after writing the equation, we now solve the equation using algebraic method. So, our equation formulated there is x plus 200 is equal to 800. So, we solve this one by using APE, addition property of equality. So, we subtract both sides of the equation by 200. Bakit po minus 200? Kasi plus 200 po dun sa my left side. Ano po? To remove 200 there. So therefore, sa left side, x plus 200 minus 200 is 0. So x is equal to, right side, 800 minus 200 is equal to 600. But there's other way to solve this problem. So this one, x plus 200 is equal to 800. So yung shortcut lang po nito is just transpose 200 to the right side of the equation. Ang maiwan dapat sa left side is yung may variable lang po na x. Ano po? So, if you transpose that, since plus 200, pag nilipat po, magiging minus 200. Kaya, sa right side, 800 minus 200, okay? The same po dyan sa kabila na sinulve po natin. So, x is equal to 600. So, therefore now, the amount or cost of 2 kg pork meat is equal to 600. Okay, after solving, we need to prove and check if our answer is correct. So, from the equation, x plus 200 is equal to 800. So, x is represented by the amount or cost of 2 kg pork meat. So, ang solve po natin doon is, sagot po natin is 600 pesos. Ano po? So, therefore, 600 substitute lang po natin, plus 200 is equal to 800. So, 600 plus 200 is equal to 800. And 800 is equal to 800, and that is true or correct. So, therefore, tama po yung ating sagot. Okay, number 2 example. A number is 12 more than the other. Find the two numbers if their sum is 48. So, this kind of problem is a number relation problem. Ano po? So, let's try to represent a number that is unknown with any variable. So, we let this number as the first number and represent it by x. And the other statement, we represent this one as the second number. Pero sabi niya, 12 more than the other. So, pwedeng i-represent na x plus 12 or 12 plus x. Ano po? And then, continue. Sabi niya, second statement, find the two numbers if their sum is 48. So, when you say sum, that is plus. So, ipa-plus daw po natin yung first and second number. Kaya plus po dyan is represented by equal sign is equal to 48. Ano po? So, our first number is x. Second number is x plus 12. That is equal to if you add 48. Now, that is our equation. Ano po? If you write, pagtabi-tabihin po natin, so x plus 12 is equal to 48. So, we simplify the equation to solve for the unknown. So, we have like terms there, x plus x. So, if you are going to add x plus x is equal to 2x. So, 2x plus 12 is equal to 48. To solve this one, shortcut method, transpose po natin yung 12 to the other side of the equation. So, this will become 2x is equal to 48 minus 12. Or, pwedeng subtract 12 to both sides of the equation, yung long cut method po. So, subtract 48 minus 12. So, this will become 2x is equal to 48 minus 12 is 36. Since we have 2 there, dapat ang makuha lang po natin yung x para yung number. Ano po? So, tanggalin po natin yung x. So, divide both side by 2. And then, bakit po ito ang dinivide? Kasi yun po yung numerical coefficient ng x. 2 cancel 2. Ano po? Okay, kaya ang matitira po sa left side is x is equal to 36 divided by 2 is 18. Okay, so yung 18 po na yan, represented by x, that is the first number. Since we solved that x is equal to 18 and that is our first number, 18, so our second number is represented by the expression x plus 2. Yan po yung second number natin. So, para makuha po yung second number natin, ay isa-substitute lang po natin yung first number which is 18. Ano po? Dun sa x. Okay, so x is equal to 18. So, 18 plus 12 is equal to 36. And 36, that is our second number. Okay, let's check if our answer is correct. Okay, from the equation x plus 12 is equal to 48, our first number x is equal to 18. Our second number, x plus 12 is equal to 36 is equal to 48. So, if you add 18 plus 36 is 48, that is equal to 48. And this is true or correct. So, therefore, the two numbers are 18 and 36. Okay, number 3. Twice a certain number decreased by 22 is 48. Find the number. So, we have unknown there, which is the certain number. So, we let x be the certain number. And then, translate the statement. So, the statement is twice a certain number decreased by 22 is 48. So, we write this equation or statement into equation. Ano po? Or mathematical equation. First there is twice. Twice means 2. Certain number, sabi po natin ay x. So, we let this one as x. Decrease by is minus and 22. So, decrease by 22 is equal sign and this is equal to 48. So, we have there our equation 2x minus 22 is equal to 48. So, pag tabi-tabihin po natin 2x minus 22 is equal to 48. That is our equation. Okay, let's try to solve this equation or form equation. 2x minus 22 is equal to 48. So, solve for x. So, again, sa left side ng equation, mayroon pong minus 22. Dapat ang matira lang po dun ay 2x. So, we transpose minus 22 to the other side of the equation. So, this become 2x is equal to 48. Since minus 22, sa kabila po ay plus 22. Ano po? So, add 2x is equal to 48 plus 22 is equal to 70. Since ang hinahanap po natin ay x, may kasama po yung x, we remove 2 there. So, to remove 2 divided by 2 to both side of the equation. And then cancel 2. So, matitira po sa left side ay x is equal to 70 divided by 2 is equal to 35. So, x is equal to 35 and that is the number. So, let's try to check if our answer is correct from the equation. 2x minus 22 is equal to 48. So, substitute po natin yung x which is 35. So, 2 times 35 minus 22 is equal to 48. 2 times 35 is 70. Minus 22 is equal to 48. 70 minus 22 is 48 is equal to 48. And this is correct. Salamat po sa panonood. Again, kung ikaw po ay bago sa aking channel, i-like mo lang po at i-subscribe upang sa ganoon ay ma-update ka sa iba po pong video tutorial na aking i-upload sa mga susunod na araw.